Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we'll show you how you can insert a video clip into your video projects on Google Vids in 2026. So let us get started. So navigate to a video project on Google Vids or start a new one. I will go with this one here for the sake of this tutorial. Here in the editing panel, what you need to do, guys, is navigate to the scene on your timeline. I will go with that scene number 1 because that example project features only that one scene. So let me just remove that example video clip here, click into delete, and after that to upload or to add a video clip to your video project, select insert here at the top, and you have the following options, guys. You can, for example, record a video with your webcam or a connected device, or you can access your Google Drive and Google Photos account, or upload an image or a video clip in JPEG or MP4 format, from your device. So to do that, click into upload here, locate the video clip on your device. I will go with the same one. Wait for the video to be inserted, and after that you may position it here on your canvas. So let me resize it a bit so that it covers the entire canvas. Or frame, it's frame in video editing. And that's it. You will see the preview button at the bottom. You can also zoom in or zoom out on your timeline. And that's it. You can do it like this, for instance. So thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.